link up with hospitality and even the food pantry that's here.
Someone asked me how, how long I've been gardening. I said, I'm not a gardener, I'm just an instigator.
That's a good title to have.
I'm assistant vice president of instigation here. Yeah, and we're almost done. I want Jesse to talk about the experiment that Ivancia is doing.
Absolutely.
And where we are. We're almost done with that, right?
Yeah, it's being presented tomorrow.
And so that's the dozen mesocosms
right?
that are across the
wow.
way, the blue containers there. But I'm not qualified to explain that. We learned last year that we have a mosquito problem here in the summers because we all suffered with it.
Yeah.
And kind of collectively came up with this idea of creating an area where we could attract dragonflies, which are natural predators of mosquitoes. And so, okay, we love butterfly gardens, right? But what about a dragonfly garden? Why not?
Dragonflies are fantastic aerial predators, and mosquitoes are a great biocontrol. Or at least we think. It's never been tested, but we're trying it out, and it seems to be working fantastically. So when you see dragonflies flying around in the air, that's awesome. What you want for biocontrol is their aquatic phase. It can be upwards of 7 years, depending on the species. So what we've been shooting for with this is trying to design the best possible habitat. Yes, we want flying dragonflies because they're aesthetic and they'll kill up to 100 mosquitoes per day in the air. Their larvae, their aquatic phase, will kill up to 40 mosquito larvae per day in the exact habitat where the mosquitoes are breeding. So when we go over and we look at our dragonfly experiment as it stands right now, our control is chock full of mosquitoes. None of our treatments have mosquitoes in them, and they're chock full of dragonflies and mayflies and damselflies. Seems to be working. So that's the design now we're going to be installing here in the living lab, working on final designs with Ratcliffe to see how best it's going to work, but at least now we know the design principles, scientifically based to have biocontrol of mosquitoes on campus.
All goes well, no mosquitoes. You know, butterflies and dragonflies and mayflies to enjoy a park bench, and maybe we can, someone can grab a banana off the banana tree and enjoy it if they're just ripe. And you saw the compost site.
Oh yeah,
over there, right?
I did. Yeah,
I don't know if you can do a long shot on that.
Walk around to.
So that's where we're taking all of the food scraps from Chartwell's.
Do you use any coffee
and from
grounds?
ours. Yeah. We get all their coffee grounds.
Oh, very cool. Because I was talking
and our
to
coffee guild, part of hospitality, one of the clubs, they give us their coffee grounds too. Yeah. So we've got it, but it's going directly to compost.
Cool.
But we can use it wherever. So when that finished compost comes over here, it's been prepared with a significant amount of coffee is going into that.
And every single member of the community that's come through has stopped and looked at those little ladders. It was like, that's such a cute idea.
Well,